Wow. So I am embarrassed, but also very excited to be filming this video. I think I'm at a point where I can't take it here anymore. Maybe it's because of the holidays. Maybe it's because I've been vlogging so much, which, you know, love the holidays, love vlogging so much, but I have slacked on cleaning. I am at my wit's end. I literally need to like stop everything I'm doing and clean this entire place head to toe. What's crazy is it's actually me. It's easy to think like, oh, like maybe it's Jackson. It's not. It's all my stuff. It's been a while since I've deep cleaned. I mean, like the floors and the bathrooms and the shower and stuff like that. So we're gonna do a clean with me video because it's been time. So when it comes to doing stuff like this, I love to do like whatever the worst task is first. And I like to be as efficient as possible. So if we're gonna go ahead and attack this, the first thing I should do is get all of my bedding into the wash. While that's going, I'll come out here. I'm going to put all the dishes in the dishwasher, wash those, and then scrub down the counter. And then while I'm in scrubbing mode, I'll just head over to the bathrooms, clean the showers, clean the sinks, clean the bathrooms. And then from there, hopefully the sheets have been washed. I can throw those in the dryer and then I can start attacking the floors. And then once that's done, honestly, that might take us to laundry and then make the bed, which honestly isn't that bad. I personally love these types of videos. They motivate me, so hopefully this motivates you. So why don't you join me? You can either like make yourself a beverage and get cozy on the couch and watch me and get motivated to clean your space, or you can join me and you can keep me playing somewhere while you also clean your space. And if that's you, get your headphones ready. You know me, I can't do anything productive without listening to a podcast. Today, we are going to be listening to Morbid, The Murder of Carol Thompson, because that's the most me thing. Okay, let's go. probably feels way too early to be talking about this, but it's not. It's not. It's almost Christmas. Christmas is around the corner, which means New Year's is around the corner. And I've always tried to be very intentional about my New Year's resolutions. I have ranged from like not drinking soda or quitting fries. Now it's been more of like, okay, well, I'm going to do this type of fitness goal, or I'm going to do this type of mental health goal. Last year I did running a mile every day for a month. I still want to continue that, but I think I'm going to make it walking a mile every day a month. I mentioned this on the podcast recently. I injured my foot. Actually, technically I injured both feet. I think I have plantar fasciitis in my left foot, and I think I have possibly an injured like pulled tendon. Unfortunately, running's just not in the cards for me right now, but I enjoyed doing that like daily grind and like starting the year so strong with that. So I think I'm gonna try walking a mile. If running a mile a day was doable last year, I can definitely walk a mile a day this year. But for my 2025 resolutions, I really want to start prioritizing me. I kind of started this last year with the like 10 minutes of me time that I was scheduling every single day along with my runs. I want to do the same thing, but I want to do it even better. So whether that means meditating, going for a walk, therapy, whatever, I have learned that I am the best version of myself when I take the time to prioritize myself. And instead of waiting until January 1st to start this, I've decided, screw it, I'm just gonna start now. And you can too. A huge, huge thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring this video. A lot of people think that you need to go through something in order to need therapy, but that is so not the case. You can talk to your therapist about literally anything. For me personally, the holidays can be really stressful, and going into the new year can bring a lot of stresses and anxieties, specifically around New Year's goals. This topic specifically is what I'm currently talking to my therapist about, and honestly, like, God bless her, she's gotten me through so much. And if you're struggling with something, guess what? You don't have to go through that alone. The therapist at BetterHelp can guide you through it, because we all need a little help here and there. So whether it's stress, family anxieties, processing grief, setting boundaries, they've got your back and they'll help you through it. All you have to do is fill out a quick questionnaire letting them know a little bit about yourself, and they will match you with a therapist in as little as a couple days. Now, something that I believe strongly is that sometimes it takes a few tries for you to find a therapist that you click with. And the thing I love about BetterHelp is that you can switch your therapist at any time at no extra cost, because BetterHelp understands the importance of that click. So start fresh any day of the year with BetterHelp. Just click the link in my description or go to betterhelp.com/Nicole, that's Nicole with an H, and get 10% off your first month. Again, a huge thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring this video and getting us starting our year strong. Okay, just finished cleaning. It feels so good. My feet hurt though. I still have to put all my laundry away, but it is now almost 4 and I have a brow appointment. I haven't gotten my brows done in a really long time, like years actually. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the cuddles. Shoot, now I can't leave. Guys, the older she gets, the more cuddly she gets, and it's just the cutest thing. Anyways, I went to this coffee shop the other day and this girl had like immaculate brows, and I was like, oh my God, your brows look incredible. Are you going somewhere? And she said, yeah, it's this place down the street. I get them threaded. And I was like, you know what? I used to get my brows threaded years ago and I kind of stopped. Waxing always felt easier, and I have been able to like manage doing my brows on my own for a while, but I feel like they're kind of lacking lately. So I'm gonna go get them threaded for the first time in a really long time. So here we go. Okay, I just got my brows done. I haven't gotten my brows threaded in years. I used to get them threaded back at my old apartment, and I, for like the last like 4 years, have been doing my brows myself, and this is so nice. She cleaned everything up, gave me a slight arch, trimmed like a few like long hairs that I had. I even had her do my lip, and I was a little worried because this is like a little hole in the wall. Are they gonna be good? They were amazing. I was very clear. I was like, hey, I want to keep like my brows thicker. I just want them really cleaned up. We're gonna die at the cost. $14.99 for the brows. I have paid so much money in the past and I need to stop. This is great. This is great. I also feel like I'm due for a tint, so I might tint my own brows here in a little bit, and then that'll give it the full look, and I'm so excited. We do not deserve mothers. My mom has never failed. Every year she sends me flowers on my birthday for my birthday week, and she's done it again. Look at how beautiful these are. They actually smell so good. Oh my God, there's roses and stargazer lilies, and she's always so good at like usually doing a color that's not Christmas, which means a lot to me. There's also a card. Happy 35th birthday, Ashley. Oh, it's Mom, Dad, and Lita. Oh my God. They're so sweet. Look at these. Wow. Day made.